Greetings from Nepal Cancer Education Foundation. I will discuss today palliative care of cancer patients at home or home hospice care for terminally ill patients. For cancer patients, if there is no longer any potential for cure, the emphasis of treatment may need to shift from prolongation of survival to improving the quality of remaining length of life. This is known as palliative care to improve quality of life. Different aspects of palliative care include pertinent symptom control, addressing psychosocial concern, and very important part is to organize the care within the community. The goal of palliative care is to achieve the best quality of life for patients as well as their families. In palliative care, three principles of care for pertinent symptoms, disease, and psychosocial issues. Let's start with this great saying, you matter because you are, you matter to the last moment of your life, and we will do all we can not only to help you die peacefully, but to live until you die. This is the philosophy behind the hospice care. Hospice is a special way of caring patients who are terminal. The hospice team can help the dying patients when treatment will no longer slow the patient's illness or provide comfort. They can also assist the family cope with their loved ones' final days. Hospice is not a place to die. Hospice care is mostly provided at home, which was initiated by Saint Christopher in 1961. It can be provided in nursing homes or inpatient settings as well. Hospice is a rapidly evolving field of palliative care because care at home is not comparable with same care at any other centers. In some communities, death at home gives greater satisfaction. Care at home or home hospice is the best if you can manage. The reasons of the best care at home are homely atmosphere, own time for food, sleep, hobby, and so on, own menu, family gathering, and own choice of time passing at home, which are not possible at any other centers. At home, every member is involved with own work in a family or homely atmosphere. There is always emotional support by the family at home. Hospice care is basically a nursing care at patient's home. A hospice nurse can teach the family members about physical care. A nurse can give comfort to the patients and psychological comfort to the family. Most of the time, encourages self-care. If the condition deteriorates, provides more physical care. Aid provides care like bathing, mouth care, turning, skin care, and so on. Pain in one or more sides is the most common symptom in cancer patients. Half of these patients receive insufficient pain medicines. By WHO three-step approach, pain can be controlled in most of the patients. How to assess pain? A structured approach, good listening, followed by constant re-evaluation with pain scale or visual analogues are required to assess pain. Pain in cancer patients may be due to cancer related, is treatment related, sometimes not related with the disease but associated with psychosocial factors, and pain can be classified into nociceptive pain resulting from stimulation of peripheral nerves or neuropathic pain arising from damage in the central or peripheral nervous system. Coming to principles of pain management, total pain means pain with physical, social, psychological, spiritual dimensions need to be controlled. Pain can be controlled by any means because pain relief is a human right. WHO analgesic ladder is a standard approach for nociceptive pain management, which includes non-opioids to strong opioids like morphine depending on the severity of pain. oral morphine is to be available for home hospice care. In Nepal, most of the patients get palliative care at central level hospitals. Some of the patients go home with some medications. They are dying in horrible conditions. They need home hospice care. This is an example of palliative care including ascitic tapping at patient's home. Life is most valuable when there is little of it left. Home is the best place for most of the patients. If the hospice team can guide the family to manage the symptoms, the best hospice care can be provided. In conclusion, if life cannot be prolonged, add life to the remaining days, like adding colors to the flowers. Thank you for watching the video.